Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very exciting video. If you're wondering, by the way, anything to do with this makeup look, I did upload it recently, so I will leave it linked down below. It's my last video that you'll have seen. It is using the Beauty Bay Sunset Horizons palette and I am obsessed. Obsessed. We also tested out their new bronzers, the new blushes, and also the new highlighters as well. So if you want to know anything about what I've got on my face, I'll leave that video linked down below for you to go check out. Today's video, I'm so excited to be unboxing the Look Incredible Deluxe Beauty Box. They very kindly sent this across to me. This is the October edition. I'll tell you a bit more about it in a minute, but if you are new here, I am LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up so I know to do more of these in the future. And please go enter my huge giveaway linked down below. There's also going to be a 10,000 subscriber giveaway coming very soon as well. It's going to be a huge one. I'm so excited because we've literally just hit it. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So basically, Look Incredible is a monthly subscription box. I believe you can cancel it at any point, so it's not like a locked in one, so it's not like for 3 months or for 6 months or 12 months. You could have it for a couple of months and then cancel it, or have it for 1 month and then cancel it. But this is their deluxe one, so this one is on the website now. This one retails for £35 and it says that you'll get 4 to 5 full-size products that are unique every month, and it contains high-end essential beauty supplies to last you throughout the month. So I love the fact, first of all, that it's full size only, and I love the fact that it is high-end stuff as well, because even though I went through my makeup collection recently and realised I have quite a lot of high-end stuff, I'm always open to trying more, and it's something that I hesitate buying just because of how expensive it is. So for £35, let's see what you get inside the October box. So this is what the box looks like, a little sneaky preview of that Hudder Beauty lipstick there. But basically, normally what would happen is you'd get a bit of card inside the box to explain what products are in it, the retail price, and a little paragraph to explain a bit about the product basically. But because of the kind of pandemic and everything, they have gone paperless and they are sending it across to people's emails. So if you do buy a box, then definitely check your emails if you want to have that little paragraph to explain what the products do. However, they do also send it on a little bit of paper inside the box as well, so it tells you what's in it and the retail price. But if you want that little paragraph, they are sending it to people's email addresses. Let's start with, we'll start with the Hudder one. I won't keep you waiting. So this is one of the Hudder Beauty liquid lipsticks. This is a matte one and it retails for £18. So this is in the shade Muse. So it just looks like this. Let's do a little swatch on the back of my hand. Ooh, that's nice. I'm really into like gloss at the moment, so I think if I was to wear this, I would wear it with a gloss over the top, just because I'm just loving glossy lips at the moment. The next thing that we have is a skincare product. So this is the Airborne RE9 Advanced Brightening Cleansing Foam. I was like so worried I was going to say that wrong. This is what it looks like. So this retails for £30. So £5 less than what the full box cost you. So with the cleansing foam and with the Hudder Beauty liquid lipstick, you're already over the price of what the box costs anyway. So this is just what it looks like. Obviously it is a cleansing foam, so it'll be to use morning and night to take your makeup off and just obviously to cleanse your face even if you don't wear makeup. And obviously it says that it has like a brightening effect to it as well. Hasn't got anything else on the box, it just tells you kind of how to use it. So I think that would be one of the ones that you'd have to check out on the little leaflet that they send across to you. But yeah, retails for £30. £30. I don't know if I could bring myself to spend £30 on the cleanser. So the next two, I'm really happy that this box has quite a lot of makeup in it. The next one is a huge chunky mascara. This is the Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home mascara. This is what it looks like. And this is in the shade Trooper Black. I'm so glad that it's a black one, because I hate like when you get a kind of like funky colour and you're like, when am I ever going to use that? Ever. But the brush is huge. This is what it looks like, and this retails for £17. So it's their Kat Von D Vegan Beauty Go Big or Go Home Volumizing Mascara. Chunky. He's a chunky monkey. And then last but certainly not least, we have a palette from Bare Minerals. This is their Invisible Light Translucent Powder Duo. So this is what it looks like. And this says it's a dimensional duo of silky, ultrafine, baked translucent powders developed to instantly vanish on all skin tones. So it looks like it's got, I've already opened this up. How did I open it last time? It's a nightmare opening things with nails. So it's got 2 different powders in it. One of them is a matte one and one of them is a glow. This retails again for £30, like £29.99. So this in itself is like just a little bit less than what the actual box cost. I don't know if you can see that at all there. But the glow one has obviously a bit of shimmer to it. The matte one has like, not shimmer, like a bit of a glow to it. So I think it would be mattifying but not like drying. And then the glow one just looks and feels super, super soft and super smooth. And with it saying that it's an invisible light powder, I'd like to hope that this can be used on all skin tones, but obviously with me not having a darker complexion, it's not something that I can actually test out myself. So I'm really hoping that it is something that everybody can use. So like I said, retails for £29.99. Amazing. The box is £35. This one retails for £30. The mascara retails for £18, and then the liquid lipstick retails, no, the mascara retails for £17 and the liquid lipstick retails for £18. So it's absolutely crazy how much of a good value you get in the box as well. I really, really, really wanted September's box, but it just loads of things happened and it couldn't get to me. But that one had a huge Marc Jacobs bronzer in it. So I would definitely recommend checking out Look Incredible. I'll leave a link down below for you to go check it out anyway. And thank you so much, Look Incredible, for sending this across to me. I have worked with them in the past as well. So yeah, really, really excited. Let me know if you want me to do a video trying these out as well, because I'll be more than happy to do that. More than happy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you in a brand new video. I'm uploading every 2 days throughout October, but I am also doing some bonus videos too, so don't forget to hit subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. I love you so much. Don't forget to enter my huge giveaway linked on the screen, and I shall see you then. Bye.